common words in Igbo and English. In English, it's just one word, but in Igbo, for you to understand it, is not one word. Like, let me just say, in English now, they say is come. In Igbo, bia. Then come here means bia eba. Then we have go. Go is gawa. That's in Igbo. Then we have sit. Sit means noro. But if they just say noro, you may not understand it. So we will not say noro ala. Noro ala means sit down. Then we have stand up. Stand means bilie. Then when they not say be stand up, that's bilie also. Then we have eat. Eat means re. If they not say eat spaghetti, that means re spaghetti. Now if they say eat rice, that means re osikapa. Then we have sleep. Sleep means inhiora. That's sleep. We have jump. Jump. Ibulioto, that's jump. Then we have run. Run means ebo, so that's the meaning of run. Then we have stop. Stop means kose. Then we have drink. Drink means like to drink. I want to drink water. Acharam engumiri. I want to drink water. That's the meaning. Then we have take. Take means I tell you, okay, take this water. That's wiri miri. Take this water. Wiri miri. Then we have wash. Wash means sa. If you wash this please, sa ifira. So these are the simple